We all know that respect in relationships doesn't just happen, it's earned. And one of the fastest ways women can gain men's respect is through the way they speak. Today, we're going to break this down step by step. By the end, you'll understand why men respect women who speak in a certain way and how you can apply this in your own life immediately. Let's start with the problem. Most women grow up being told to be nice, be agreeable, or don't be too demanding. The result? Many women end up speaking in ways that minimize their authority. Research from Stanford University showed that women often use more hedging language, such as I think, I guess, or maybe, in professional and personal conversations. While the intent is to appear polite, the perception is often weakness or lack of confidence. Here's the problem: when men hear a woman downplay her voice, they subconsciously take her less seriously. This doesn't mean men are intentionally disrespectful, it means that human beings in general respond more strongly to confident communication. A 2014 study in the Journal of Personality and Social Psychology found that confident speech patterns are directly linked to higher levels of influence and respect in group settings. Think about it. If a woman says, I think maybe we should leave now versus it's time to leave, which one makes the listener stop and respect her authority? The difference isn't in the idea, it's in how it's delivered. Now let's go deeper. Why does this matter so much? Because if a woman is not respected in the way she speaks, it affects everything else: her career, her relationships, and even her mental health. In 2017, a Harvard Business Review article revealed that women in corporate meetings were interrupted 30% more often than men, not because they lacked good ideas, but because their tone of voice was often less assertive. Over time, this leads to frustration, burnout, and the sense of being invisible. In personal relationships, Dr. John Gottman, a leading researcher on marriage and communication, found that couples who thrive long term share one key trait: direct, respectful communication. Women who are indirect, overly passive, or apologetic in their speech often feel dismissed by their partners. This builds resentment and breaks trust. Let's be real. Men are wired to respond to strength. That doesn't mean aggression. It doesn't mean shouting. It means clarity. If a woman speaks in a way that is unclear, hesitant, or filled with unnecessary apologies, she unintentionally signals that her words aren't as important. Over time, that erodes respect. And here's the harsh truth: men won't tell you this outright. They won't say, I don't respect you because of how you speak, but they'll show you it in subtle ways by interrupting you, ignoring your suggestions, or failing to take your words seriously. So, what's the solution? The good news is that respect can be built and rebuilt through simple changes in communication. Men respect women who speak in three specific ways. One, clarity over apology. Men respect women who speak clearly without constant apologies. Research from the University of California, Berkeley showed that women apologize more than men, not because they're always wrong, but because they perceive more of their actions as offensive. The problem? Frequent apologies weaken authority. Instead of saying, sorry, can I say something? Say, I'd like to add something here. Small shift, big respect. Two, directness over hedging. Instead of hedging statements with maybe, I think, or I guess, women who want respect use direct language. For example, instead of maybe we should try a different approach, say, let's try a different approach. Direct speech signals leadership. A 2012 study from Princeton University confirmed that people perceive direct speakers as more competent and trustworthy. Three, calm confidence over emotional overload. Respect comes from control. Men listen more attentively when women speak with calm authority, not with frantic or overly emotional tones. Dr. Amy Cuddy, known for her work on body language, also highlighted that vocal tone can change perception drastically. A calm, steady voice communicates strength. Let's make this even clearer with real world examples. Example number one: workplace. Instead of saying, I just wanted to check if maybe you finished the report, say, have you finished the report yet? Simple, direct, respected. Example number two: relationship. Instead of saying, I guess we could go to that restaurant if you want, say, I'd like to go to that restaurant tonight. Direct, confident, clear. Example number three, everyday life. Instead of saying, sorry, could you move a little? Say, excuse me, can you move a little? Firm, but still polite. Why does this work? Because communication is not just about words, it's about power dynamics. Respect is often tied to perceived authority. Men, like all humans, respect authority when it's communicated effectively. A study from Columbia University found that participants were 2.5 times more likely to comply with requests when the speaker used firm, confident language versus hesitant language. This isn't gender specific, it's human psychology. But because women are often socially conditioned to soften their communication, it affects them more. When women shift from tentative speech to clear, confident speech, men subconsciously recalibrate. They listen more, they take her words seriously, and they respect her authority. Let's bring in another case study. In 2019, Fortune profiled female CEOs in the tech industry. One consistent theme emerged. The women who rose to the top didn't just have great ideas, they communicated those ideas with clarity and authority. One executive shared that early in her career. She often said, I think we could do this, and was ignored. When she changed her approach to here's what we're going to do, her team's respect grew instantly. The lesson's clear. How you speak shapes how others treat you. Some women may be thinking, but won't I sound rude if I'm too direct? The answer is no. If your tone is respectful, directness doesn't mean disrespect, it means clarity. Men actually appreciate directness because it eliminates guesswork. A 2018 survey by Psychology Today found that 74% of men reported preferring when women spoke directly rather than hinting or being vague. Another objection: what if I don't feel confident inside? Here's the secret: you don't need to feel 100% confident to speak confidently. Harvard psychologist Amy Cuddy's research on fake it till you become it shows that adopting confident speech and body language actually increases your internal confidence over time. So, how can you apply this starting today? Here's a practical plan. Step one, record yourself. Spend one day recording your conversations or practice sessions. Notice how often you hedge, apologize, or sound uncertain. Step two, replace phrases. Create a list of replacement phrases. For example, change I just wanted to I want to. Change sorry for bothering you to do you have a minute? Step three, practice pausing. Silence is powerful. Instead of filling space with or maybe, pause. A pause makes your words land with more weight. Step four, lower your tone, not pitch, but speed and energy. Speak slightly slower and with steady rhythm. This naturally commands more respect. And step five, ask for feedback. Find a trusted friend or mentor and ask, do I sound confident and clear when I speak? External feedback will help you see blind spots. Here's what happens when women adopt this communication style: men start to listen more carefully. They stop interrupting as often. They respect boundaries more. They take her words seriously in relationships and in work. And the woman herself begins to feel more powerful. Think of Oprah Winfrey. She doesn't rush, she doesn't hedge, she doesn't apologize unnecessarily. And she's one of the most respected women on the planet. It's not just her fame, it's how she communicates. Think of Angela Merkel, former Chancellor of Germany. She wasn't flashy, she was steady, calm, direct, and she led one of the world's most powerful nations for over a decade with immense respect. So let's bring it all together. Men respect women who speak with clarity, directness, and calm confidence, not because men are trying to be dominant, but because all humans are wired to respect strength in communication. The problem is that many women have been conditioned to speak in ways that undermine their own authority. The agitation is that this creates real damage in relationships, careers, and self worth, but the solution is within reach: small intentional shifts in language that immediately increase respect. Respect doesn't come from volume, it doesn't come from aggression, it comes from the way you shape your words. Speak clearly, speak directly, speak with calm authority. And you'll notice how men respond differently because respect always follows strength in communication.